So we press a button, the power is on, but it doesn't power up the board. So sometimes it's a switch, but this one doesn't look like a switch. So we're gonna get a new power supply and we're gonna try it. Okay, so the power supply is dead. So I got the power supply 500 watt from Amazon for $25. And the good power supply has 8-pin splittable CPU power and 24-pin. So this one only used 4-pin power connector, so we can split it out and do that. And the 24-pin is standard, and it has the Molex 4-pin and SATA hard drive connector. So it's the power supply. It works. To remove the power supply, there's 4 pins in the back that need to be unscrewed and slide it forward so we can take it out from the case. Then we put a new one in the reverse order, and it's done. So connect all the power supply cable to the motherboard, the hard drive, the DVD, and the case fan, or it won't boot.